So over here, you can see that I have a blank diagram, and if I want to go around and insert out a template in this existing diagram right here, then what I can do is I can go around onto the arrange menu, and then I can go around onto insert. Then once I go around over here, I can go around onto the template option. So once I do that, this is what you see. You see ranges of templates right here, and you can choose the one you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around under charts. So I'm just going to select it and click on insert. Once I do that, you can see that the chart is inserted out right here. But apart from this, if I want to insert out another template on top of this chart right here, then I can do the same. I can go around under arrange and I can go around under insert. Then if I were to go around and click on template, I can choose another template that I want to insert and click on insert. Then you can see that the chart, the previous template is here along with the other template right here. And you can do this as many times as you want right here. So you can go around over here and insert, let's say, the software chart right here, and this is what you have. And that is how you can insert out multiple templates in a single diagram inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.